Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a 4-story bungalow at Cyberjaya. It comes with a built-in lift. There's the layout for ground floor, first floor, third floor you have all the bedrooms, and you have swimming pool, deck and sky garden. Now, let me show you the unit at Lakefront Villa Cyberjaya. It's surrounded by greens. That your kids can play around, running around. This project completed in year 2018 and has been tenanted for years. It comes with 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. It's a freehold strata residential title unit. This unit is facing north, so you won't get direct sunlight from east or west. See how many cars you can park at the car park. Easily 6 to 8. Here's the 4-story lift. High ceiling, grand living area. Here's the foyer. And the corridor towards dining area. The dining area just right next to the terrace. Here's the kitchen island before entering wet kitchen. Here we go, the wet kitchen area. It's attached with laundry and maid room. This cutie pie is not for sale. Here's the guest room at ground floor. Moving forward, first floor living area. There's enough windows to make the whole house look very bright. Now, the most important part, master bedroom. and the walk-in wardrobe, spacious bathroom. You separate the shower and the toilet. You have bathtub and the small balcony. Now the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms. It's just nice for yoga, for work, for kids. Each room comes with very spacious shower room. And it's up to you what you want to do with the interior. The layout is very straightforward. All rooms come with ensuite shower. Here's the living at second floor, overseeing the first floor living. Now let's go to the most exciting floor, third floor. Ta-da! This is the floor for you to relax and enjoy. Now the exclusive part, swimming pool deck, overseeing the lake. This is one very peaceful neighborhood area. Give you the luxury lifestyles you need. Here's the end for the house tour for this episode. Do call the number if you want to arrange viewing or listing. See you in next episode. Bye.